Are you looking for a roast vegetable salad that's so easy you don't even need a sharp knife to make it? Well, let me show you how you can make this delicious one right now. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. My name's Charity, and here at Easy Healthy Tasty, we're all about showing you hopefully the simplest ways to make cooking that you would just have at home every day. And tonight we're going to be making kind of like a chicken schnitzel dinner with a roast vegetable salad. Now, to get things started, we're going to start with the roast veggie salad. And because here at Easy Healthy Tasty, we're all about not needing to use a sharp knife in any of our recipes, I've bought some products from the supermarket today that are really easy to use in these kind of recipes. The first one I've got here is just a broccoli and cauliflower florets mix. Now you might see that some of those pieces in there are pretty large, maybe a bit larger than I would like in a salad, but I'll show you what we can do with those in just a second. And the other product that I bought is a roast veggie mix as well. This one comes with garlic and rosemary already added to it. We'll probably pick those out tonight, but if you were making, say, a roast chicken dinner or something like that, you could keep those in and that would be really delicious. So to get things started, the first thing we're going to do is open up the roast veggie salad mix. I'm going to pull out the rosemary and I'm going to pull out the garlic too. And then I'm going to pop that into this bowl that I have here. And then with the cauliflower and broccoli, these taste really nice when you roast them in the oven. You might not have done that before, and that's okay. Trust me when I say that they come out really delicious, and it's a really nice addition to a salad. Now, if you can see how big this piece here is, if I was serving this on the side with some mashed potato and something else, you know, as a steamed part of the dish, that would be fine. But I don't need to use a knife to break this up. I can just snap it with my hands. And I've got 3 pieces there out of the one. This piece of cauliflower here, that's a bit big, so I'm going to break that up too. And these ones are little, so they can just pop in like that. Now all I'm going to do to help prepare these veggies here is add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which you can measure if you'd like to, but I couldn't be bothered tonight. A little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. And I'm just going to mix those together. Usually I would just use my hands, to be honest with you, but to save having to wash them in the middle of making a video today, I'm going to use a spoon. So now we grab ourselves an oven tray. I've got some baking paper on mine just to stop things from sticking, but if you know that your baking tray is really good already, then you don't need to do that bit if you don't need to for your baking tray. So we'll just put that in, get those last little pieces out, and then we just want to spread it out on the tray so that things aren't overlapping, so it's just in one layer. And this is going to go into a preheated oven. I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to put that in for maybe, I don't know, 30 or 40 minutes. It depends a bit on the size of the vegetables, the size of the chunks that you've got. You just want to bake them in, roast them in the oven until they're cooked, or until the cauliflower will get a nice golden colour to it. So I'm just going to go and put this in the oven at 180 degrees until it's cooked. Okay, so our roast veggies are cooked and they've cooled down. They're just a little bit warm now. They're fairly cool, like I can hold the pan with my hand and everything. And so we're going to add those to a bowl with some baby spinach. And then I'll show you the other fancy thing that we do for this salad. So because I know that one of my children doesn't really like some of the ingredients in this salad. They don't really like the sweet potato. Sometimes they say they don't even like the broccoli. But if I add something that I know that they do like, they're more likely to eat this salad. So we're going to add some pear. Now, when I made this earlier in the week, I had fresh pear and I sliced it up. But because this is a no-chop recipe tonight, I've just got some little pots of diced stewed pear that I've drained. So I've got rid of the liquid from there, and we're just going to sprinkle that through as well. So I've got 2 little pots here that we will mix through. So I'm just going to grab 2 spoons to use to toss this salad. If you've got salad servers, use those too, but I'm just going to use a couple of spoons here. So mix it through a little bit. And now a drizzle of a balsamic glaze. And the salad is done. You can serve this with our crumbed chicken tenders. The video for that will be coming up soon. Or any other way that you want to serve salad, really. You could serve it with almost anything. It's a really tasty and delicious salad, and I hope you enjoy it too.